This is a very popular baby high chair, which also becomes a low chair. So we'll show you somewhere in the video how it becomes a low chair, but let's just have a look at the features of it. So it comes with a play toy for baby. They can just be playing with that over there, which also serves as a double tray. So it is a double tray. You would have to pull out the toy and then you take out the first tray. So you see, it's a double tray. You get 2 trays, and then you can wash that. When they are done, you can bring it back to them to use. It as well has seat belts for protection. You see a lot of a lot of belts to protect them actually, and it goes all the way down too. And then it has a block beneath. Let's have a look at the block over there, so baby cannot slip through, and the seat belt as well keeps them from slipping through too, so double protection. Okay, the seat also reclines. Let's see how that works. When you pull this button upwards, this knob upwards, it reclines backwards, and then you can pull the same thing to go all the way up. So you see it has stages actually, so you can keep it midway. You realize that when we were reclining it, there are holes over there, so let's recline it for you to see. You see, come down, and then you can come all the way down like that. So it has stages. It's not just all the way forward and all the way back. Okay, the footrest has anti-slip lines, so that they do not, their feet does not just slip, their feet actually rest whilst they sit. You realize that it has a tray as well down here, which holds their essentials for feeding. You can keep all their essentials for feeding over there. It as well has ties under it. It has ties under it, you see, so you can move it around anywhere. And these ties can be locked, so if you do not want them to move around, you can just lock the tie. You see what we are doing? When you do that, the tie is locked, and then when you want to open it, and it's on all the 4 ties, so you can do it for all the 4 ties to keep it in one place. Okay, so we are going to show you how it becomes a low chair shortly. This is actually a leather seat, so you have a complete leather seat for them. Let's go a bit closer so that you have a look at it. See, like this, a very nice leather foamy seat for baby, quite comfortable. This is the inside of it, like this. Okay, and this is also foldable, so you can fold it for storage. If it is not in use, you can press these 2 knobs and then it will close up. So you press them together and lift it up, and then you see the whole thing will close up just like that. And when you want to use it, you can just open it up and it will all be opened up. Okay, so let's have a look at how it becomes how it is when it is a low chair, not a high chair. So this is it when it's a low chair. So you realize that the height has dropped. So if you do not want baby to be so high, you can get it in this height as well. So it's the same product, just in a lower height. The exact same product in a lower height. So baby is not all so high, they are just seated comfortably down like this. So this is it for this product. Thank you for watching the video. We are so grateful to have you here. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.